You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we are with Skepta. Yeah, man, we're in the UK. Yeah, man, we're in the UK. London, to be specific. With Skepta and Joyner Lucas, I got it. This is Skepta's song. It's called Friendly Fire. There's a war between the UK and USA at the moment. So I'm going to see what I go on. I'm going to see what Skepta said to Joyner Lucas. Let's go to bed.
Come on, babe. They're clowning your accent. But you know we love that shit. Innit?
You get me? Something dead.
So the intro start off, come on, babe. Them a clown your accent, but you know, say, yo, them love it. I just fuck around, them a fuck around.
Innit?
You get me? Something dead.
Something dead, Skepta. Bullet.
Big smoke. Nobody's safe.
Nobody not safe. None.
Old man Ebro asking me stupid questions. Trying to use me to get clicks. I said what I said, now I'm reaping the benefits. This ain't beef, that's expensive. You know I ain't trying to lose pounds, I ain't on the Ozempic. I'm uptown, white wine, hummus and breadsticks. Goat level, might say something offensive. Still I ain't trying to ruin the friendship. But just like Ryu and Ken, in this game might have to go to war with your best friend if he ain't in the hood.
Come on, babe. They're clowning your accent. But you know we love that shit.
Bull. Whatever fuck on the G head for. Wait a man.
Something dead.
Chat, what started it? Like, comment section, tell me please, what started this? I don't know, because I haven't been keeping in tune with the UK scene or the American scene. So tell me what started this? What go on? TikTok? I bet you TikTok.
Smoke.
Must be TikTok, right?
Nobody's safe.
What the fuck is going on?
Old man Ebro asking me stupid questions. Trying to use me to get clicks. I said what I said, now I'm reaping the benefits. This ain't beef, that's expensive. You know I ain't trying to lose pounds, I ain't on the Ozempic. I'm uptown, white wine, hummus and breadsticks. Goat level, might say something offensive. Still I ain't trying to ruin the friendship.
No!
But just like Ryu and Ken, in this game might have to go to war with your best friend if he ain't in the hood. Catch a boy in the West End. Said that you're a block boy, throw up your set then. Top.
You say you're G, you say you're gangster, you say you're outside. You say you're black boy, show up your set. We set your rep. We set your rep because I know say yo, if a liar tell they set the way you choke the man, I'm gonna say yo, hey boy. Bullet, but I'm gonna see.
Offensive, still I ain't trying to ruin the friendship. But just like Ryu and Ken, in this game might have to go to war with your best friend if he ain't in the hood. Catch a boy in the West End. Said that you're a block boy, throw up your set then.
Yeah.
Tottenham, North London, we set trend. Pull up on me, I'm in your city with Fred again. We just sold out the Paramount. And you know we got paid a mad amount. The place I hang about's a real dark place. You're ignorant, that's why you lack taste. You're mumbling, your voice.
Bumbo clot, you're ignorant, that's why you lack taste. Like, what you feel? Not London, Tottenham, and this over there, that's the thing.
Pull up on me, I'm in your city with Fred again. We just sold out the Paramount. And you know we got paid a mad amount. The place I hang about's a real dark place. You're ignorant, that's why you lack taste. You're mumbling, your voice it lacks bass. Time to wipe the smile off Act's face. Time to say chat W Skepta. Go against me, it ends in bad ways. Keep it rap, don't wanna catch a case. You boys love to snitch, I ain't in the rap race.
Yo, the man say, yo, you American pussies love to snitch on a rat. Some on a snake too. Some on a sheep too. You never say all of that, but yeah, you get what I'm saying.
Base. Time to wipe the smile off Act's face. Time to say chat W Skepta. Go against me, it ends in bad ways. Keep it rap, don't wanna catch a case. You boys love to snitch, I ain't in the rap race. Oh, so underrated, underestimated. I need flex to play this. Need some text to play this. New shoes trying to step on faces. Yeah, we bought extra laces. Rude boy, what's the latest? Got the UK, US debating. Joyner Lucas, you bastard. Why you rap like you studied at Harvard? Catch him.
Joyner Lucas, you bastard. You bloody bastard, my friend. What did I put that accent on? Joyner Lucas, you bastard. Why you rap like say you studied at Harvard University? Why you rap like you know nothing about the street code? Boy, oh you're a fool. You're not a fool nobody, yes, so. That is what Skepta saying, not me.
Faces. Yeah, we bought extra laces. Rude boy, what's the latest? Got the UK, US debating.
Yeah.
Joyner Lucas, you bastard. Why you rap like you studied at Harvard? Catch him outside, I move to him, heartless. Cuts, bruises and plasters.
Catch him outside and move to him. Heartless. Blood clot.
Like you studied at Harvard, catch him outside and move to him. Heartless. Cuts, bruises and plasters. If I see him on tour in London, I jump on stage and move to his dancers. Who said?
If me see him on tour, pussy you can't come nowhere about boy. If me see you on tour in London, me jump on stage and move to your dancers.
Bruises and plasters. If I see him on tour in London, I jump on stage and move to his dancers. Who said that I'ma lose? I need answers. You couldn't walk a mile in my shoes. I'm the hardest. I train with the animals. You really don't want this on my Jack Jones. I don't need an accomplice. I spit hollow tips. Time I pop shit.
So I'm tell you say, yo, he don't need nobody to deal with this. He can do it by himself, Jonah. Jonah him say he can do it by himself. He don't need no one mega friend and no one mega crew. Remember the thing him friendly for you, so remember said this is a friendly thing. Is it a friendly thing though? Is it gonna remain a friendly thing? I don't know.
You really don't want this on my Jack Jones. I don't need an accomplice. I spit hollow tips. Time I pop shit. Put a stop to that man's not hot shit. Forget all this studio rap. Come victory lap and I'll show you what I've done is. Praise the Lord. You want beats then I got this. You haven't had a hit song for the longest. Too concerned with your
man say long time you call up. Long time you call up like Eskimo. You're not hot. You not have no hit song. Him say, Jonah, look, Jonah. Him say you're not hot, brother.
Is praise the Lord, you want beats, then I got this. You haven't had a hit song for the longest. Too concerned with your clothes, should be focusing on flows. Where I'm from, I'm a goat. Where you're from, you're a joke. SK turn you.
Where me come from, me a goat. Where you come from, you a joke. Everybody a laugh after you. Funny, not Kevin not though.
Should be focusing on flows. Where I'm from, I'm a goat. Where you're from, you're a joke. SK turn you to a ghost. Yo, talking like your lyrical miracle. Oh please, where I come from, that's a default speed. You never been to a clash with a machine, Gary. Tell me what you know about grease. You think you're doing me like the mother MCs? Houseway, you ain't got the answers for these. In this war thing, I got a master's degree. The facade falling apart and they're starting to see all lies on me. I got the juice, I'm with the gang. Supermodels hit 'em up. It's poetic justice. You laugh at my accent when I rap, but your wife fell in love with the English.
You laugh at my accent when I rap, but your wife fell in love with it. Your wife fell in love with it and she's still in love with it. Yo, what go on?
Supermodels hit 'em up, it's poetic justice. You laugh at my accent when I rap, but your wife fell in love with the English. Oh, so underrated, underestimated. I need flex to play this. Need some text to play this. New shoes trying to step on faces. Yeah, we bought extra laces. Rude boy, what's the latest? Got the UK, US debating. Oh, so underrated. Underestimated. The top boy don't chat to me. To play this. League One. To play this. You get shoes trying to step on faces. Got 100 man waiting. On green. What's the latest? Got the UK, US debating.
Ooh, fucking hell. This is when you cross region, this is when you're bad, this is when you're scary, this is when you're gonna get out of hand, you know. This shit is gonna get out of hand, I know it. Cause more UK rapper is gonna get involved and more USA rapper is gonna be involved. I wanna see Chip jumping on this. More wanna see Chip jumping on this. Bugsy, more wanna see Bugsy jumping on this. More wanna see man like Stamps jumping on this, but I doubt Stamps are gonna do that still. But more wanna see like crazy rapper jumping on this, bro. Like war artists wants to jump in on this, bro. Like, war artists. Wanna say, like, what one? How did it start? Comment section, get active, let me know. I'll be down there watching. I'll catch you guys in Jonah Lucas one, alright? I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace.
Yeah, Rust game, but I review your face, the dog. If face, you fuck.